last night was perfect. These bushes over here block the prevailing wind. That nice tree there provided some protection from dew. I'm nestled in here. It's a dry tent morning, and I'm very happy. And all the campsites they have set aside for hiker biker, they usually have charging ports in the lockers. So I left my 10,000 milliamp night cord there overnight to get fully charged. And when I opened the locker this morning, there was a 4th of July style plastic cup with all kinds of snacks in it. Biscotti and sausage and cranberry bites and all kinds of fun stuff. So I don't know who did that, but thank you. That was very sweet. And it gives me a little something more on the road this morning. Surprisingly few people on the highway at 10 till 5 in the morning. This is very cute. They took this bush, have these branches that look like arms, put a hat on it, turned it into a fishing pole with a line, and this is the bush he's catching. Cool. After resupplying at McKay's Market, I tried to upload videos to failures, so I wasted a little time there. Get halfway done and then stop. Very frustrating. Beach here is pebbles. That's nice. We've got seals and this lovely aperture here that the surf comes through. Very neat place. Very neat place. Even more ahead. Wow. Glad I didn't walk the highway today. Pillars of Heracles. It's cold and windy. It's been cold and blustery all day. Not the most pleasant walking. But just got a couple miles to go, get to the river crossing, and once that's done for the day, you can kind of settle into the end of the day plan. It's the one remaining point of anxiety. Imagine the storm that threw that thing up there. So having the low tide expose this reasonably firm sand down here makes the walking tolerable and sometimes efficient. You see this small ledge here. I saw some footprints up there from hikers who had to hike at high tide, and it's all very soft. And it just would have been excruciating to have to put in 10 miles down the beach in that stuff. I found the tracks to Slash and Gorf again. Okay, there's the crossing. Splash, not bad at all. Lost at 12:26 with a 2.4 foot tide. So much easier than I thought it'd be. Miles now, all the sand has been soft. The stuff that's wet and the stuff that's dry. And you can tell by how these footprints are going, this is going to be a long 4 miles. Way to the campground. My feet don't even know what to do with solid ground. This is crazy. It's 3:15 and the Serenity Shuttle has landed at Boyce Cope County Park at trail mile 324 for a 20-mile day. Including a 15-mile beach walk that started off really interesting and ended up with 4 miles of loose sand that I was ready to be done with. Popped in here and found out they had a cancellation even though they were fully booked, and I have this lovely spot in the shade by a big tree and ready to call it an evening. Thanks for hiking with me, and remember, we're doing the impossible that makes us mighty.